What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and I want to welcome you to my channel today. Whether it's your first visit or you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome, my friend. You can see I've been in the middle of a new video that is going to be released very soon and I haven't washed my hand yet. But y'all, it has been a hot minute since Keisha over at Sweet Urban Rose and myself have teamed up for a collaboration, so we thought we needed to do this again, and we want y'all to come along with us. So y'all, this is your open invite to join us for a Dollar Tree Christmas tree event. This is an open collaboration and you've got 2 weeks for this challenge. If you don't know the Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree that we're talking about, these are them. These trees come in white and green and this new iridescent color from the Dollar Tree, and I cannot wait to see what y'all do with these. The rules for the collaboration are super simple. If you're up for this challenge and want to participate with us, all you've got to do is to mention myself, Mama Dares to DIY, and also Sweet Urban Rose in your video. You also want to mention the playlist. We also want you to link both of our channels and the playlist in your description box, and we're going to use the hashtag Dollar Tree Christmas Tree 2020. Rule number 3 is to use one or more of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees in your DIY. Rule number 4, we're going to upload our videos on Friday, December the 4th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, it's super important if you upload your video early that you do not release it to be viewed until this time. You want to keep it on unlisted. The link for the playlist will be in the description box a few days before December the 4th. And rule number 5, last but not least, is just to have a blast. We want y'all to have fun. And y'all, that's it. The rules are super simple, and the main thing is just to have fun. Really stretch your imagination. Try to push yourself to do something you've never done before, and just see. You never know. You might end up loving what you do. So that's it. I really hope y'all join us. You've got 2 weeks, so get started. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.